As global audiences hold their breath for the final of Overwatch, esports has surpassed entertainment. It is a new form of sports in the digital age. Professional players compete on the cloud battlefield, connecting millions of viewers in Shanghai, Kuala Lumpur, and Berlin in real time. But esports is not just an electronic version of traditional sports, it is rewriting the rules. The arena is on a server rather than a green field, and only 15-year-old players can fight alongside 30-year-old commanders. The outcome depends on a 0.25-second decision chain, and human limits are redefined by code, and real change is happening in Malaysia. This land is becoming the heart of Southeast Asian esports. Entering the UKM classroom, students design Asian Games level plans in the esport class. KBS stamps the athlete's passport with the National Athlete seal. The funds injected by MDEC have raised the International League flag at the Penang Stadium. When the three forces of education, government, and industry converge, individual potential begins to be unleashed. This empowerment directly changes the trajectory of life. The Johor Bahru youth learned bilingual command in Chinese and English in the Endless Duel team. The Kuala Lumpur event planning team uses AR technology to generate millions of revenue, and the greater value lies in community connectivity. In the Sarawak Rural Esports Arena, my grandfather and grandson teamed up for the first time to fight. Johor offline viewing party, different races cheer for the same team. These experiences are incubating a new professional ecosystem. On the field, data analysts use AI to decode win rates, and coaches use neuroscience to regulate states. In the industrial chain, stage designers use holographic projections to ignite the arena. Esports doctors develop anti-tendinitis training chairs. As Generation Z builds their identity with keyboards, the industry foundation becomes increasingly solid. See how this 19-year-old international student transforms. Live streaming of League of Legends made her sign as a travel ambassador, designed traditional Malay clothing skins for the game and received an offer from Tencent as a designer. The experience of organizing campus competitions can be directly included in the resume of Yadong digital management trainees. When personal skills flow into the industrial tide, the economic nuclear change is about to explode. Now, witnessing how esports reshapes the national economic landscape. Let's talk numbers. Esports isn't just entertainment, it's a global economic engine. In 2024, this industry will generate over $2.3 billion worldwide. It's growing at 15% annually, faster than most traditional sports. Where does this money come from? 60% from sponsors like tech giants and lifestyle brands. 20% from media rights. The rest? Tickets, merch, and game fees. But the real power? Its ripple effect. Esports drives demand for gaming hardware, next-gen networks, and event tourism. It creates careers, not just for players, but coaches, producers, and tech crews. In Malaysia alone, it supports thousands of jobs and positions as Southeast Asia's digital hub. This is beyond gaming, it's economic transformation. To lead this revolution, Malaysia needs bold policies. Here's how. First, officially recognize esports as a professional sport under KBS. This ensures athlete welfare and unlocks sports funding. Second, tax incentives for tournaments and esports venues. Attract international events like the Kuala Lumpur Major. Third, national youth development programs. Teach strategic thinking and digital skills in schools, with health safeguards. Fourth, MOSTI-funded R&D for esports tech. Imagine Malaysian-made VR training systems or AI analytics tools, with MDEC coordinating, KBS regulating athletes, and MOSTI driving innovation. We won't just participate. We'll dominate. The future is here. Let's invest in talent, empower regulators, and build our digital economy. Malaysia? We're ready to play.